Okay. When you see this type of question, don't panic. It's a very easy question. Just have your law of indices at the back of your mind. You will be able to solve it. Now let's go. We are asked to solve the equation 4 raised to power x plus 1 minus 9 bracket 2 raised to power x is equal to minus 2. Now, remember that this is the same thing as 4 raised to power x times 4 raised to power 1. Remember, in law of indices, since they have the same base, if we take one base and add the powers, we'll get back to this. Minus 9 bracket 2 raised to power x is equal to minus 2. Now, this is the same thing as 2 raised to power 2 bracket x. Remember, times 4. Okay? Minus 9 bracket 2 raised to power x is equal to minus 2. Now and again, here is the same thing with 2 raised to power x bracket raised to power 2 times 4 minus 9 raised to power 9 bracket 2 raised to power x is equal to 2. 2 raised to power x raised to power 2. If we multiply this, remember that a raised to power m bracket n is equal to a raised to power m times n. So this is exactly what I applied here. Now we go. Let 2 raised to power x be equal to y. Now we have y squared times 4 minus 9y is equal to this minus 2. Here we have 4y squared minus 9y. This will come over to this side. The sign will change to plus 2 is equal to 0. At this point, we are going to factorize this. Now, for us to be able to factorize it, we're going to multiply 4 by 2 here. We have 8. Two numbers that when you multiply, you have plus 8. When you add or subtract them, you have minus 9. We are taking minus 8 and minus 1. Minus 8 minus 1 will give us minus 9. Minus 8 times minus 1 will give us what? Plus 8. So, let's apply this here. We have 4y squared minus 8y minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. We group it, remember. Now, what is common here? 4 is common, y is also common. We factor 4y out. What is remaining? 4y into 4y squared. We have what? Y. Bring down our minus. 4y divide 8y will give us what? 2. Minus, what is common here? 1. We bring down 1. Y. Minus plus will give us minus. We have 2, which is equal to 0. Now we have 4y minus 1 bracket y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we have that 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is to tell us that 4y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 over 4. Okay, from here we have y minus 2 equal to 0. Y is equal to, remember, this will cross the sign of equality, we have like 2. Now, our y is 2 raised to power x. Remember, so from here, we now have y is equal to 2x. Now, if y here is equal to 2, we have that 2 raised to power x is equal to 2. Now, this is the same thing as 2 raised to power 1. Then, since we have the same base, our x is equal to 1. Or, we take this. Here, y is 1 over 4. We have that 2 raised to power x is equal to what? 1 over 4. Remember, this is the same thing as 2 raised to power x equal to 1 over 2 raised to power 2. Remember our law of indices that said a raised to power minus 1 is the same thing as 1 over a raised to power 1. So we have that This is the same thing as 2 raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power minus 2. This is to tell you that x is equal to minus 2. So here the value of x has two values, x equal to minus 2 or x equal to what? 1. And this is our answer.